Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for more updates. Suez Canal Authority says Ever Given refloated. Global trade traffic resuming. Egypt's Suez Canal Authority said Monday the Ever Given, a ship blocking the major artificial sea level waterway for global trade, was refloated almost a week after it got stuck during a sandstorm. Traffic in the Suez Canal resumed as local TV images showed the vessel, a cargo megaship the length of 4 football fields, slowly moving up the canal. Admiral Osama Rabi, head of the Suez Canal Authority, has announced the resumption of shipping traffic in the Suez Canal. The SCA said in a statement shortly after shipping sites had showed it to have once more diagonally blocked the waterway. The breakthrough followed what appeared to be a setback and came moments after the ship had temporarily settled back into the diagonal position it had been stuck in after running aground last Tuesday. Ever Given was earlier diagonally blocking Suez Canal again, maritime sites had said, with a salvage company leading the operation, saying the main challenge in freeing the enormous container ship is still ahead. Egypt's President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi had claimed success early Monday when the ship was turned in the right direction. Maritime data company Lloyd's List said the blockage had held up an estimated $9.6 billion worth of cargo each day between Asia and Europe. By the end of the drama, the tailback of ships had reaching 425 at the two ends of the canal in the Mediterranean and Red Sea. Tugboat flotilla. Television footage showed tugboat crews sounding their foghorns in celebration after the Ever Given was dislodged from the banks of the Suez. The Japanese-owned ship had been partially dislodged early Monday, triggering immediate praise from Sisi. Today, Egyptians have been successful in putting to an end the crisis of the stranded ship in the Suez Canal, despite the enormous complexity surrounding the process, he had said. Egypt was estimated to have lost some $12 to 14 million in revenue from the canal for each day it was closed, according to the Canal Authority. After the 200,000-ton ship was refloated, it was expected to take around 3.5 days to clear the traffic jam of ships, Rabi said, praising rescue efforts. Salvage crews have been working around the clock. They had focused on efforts to remove sand around the ship, with 27,000 cubic meters cleared at a depth of 18 meters, SCA spokesperson George Safwad said Sunday. Knock-on effects. The crisis has forced companies to choose between waiting or rerouting vessels around Africa, which adds a huge fuel bill, 9,000 kilometers and over a week of travel to the trip between Asia and Europe. Russia offered assistance Sunday, following other countries, including the United States, that have made similar offers. In a sign of the knock-on effects from the Suez blockage, authorities in war-wrecked Syria said the crisis had hit its fuel imports from Iran and forced it to ration already scarce supplies. Romania's Animal Health Agency said 11 ships carrying livestock out of the country were also impacted, while the charity Animals International warned of a potential tragedy affecting some 130,000 animals. Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for more updates.